I'm here with the lovely Benita. Benita, thank you so much for joining me. Tell me a little bit about your journey with M.A.C and how you came to work here at this beautiful school.
So M.A.C has always been a dream for every makeup person, I think, and M.A.C as a brand is also such a big brand. And when I started learning makeup, I started when I was in 14th grade.
Okay.
How
old is that? How old is
around about 18,
okay.
18 years old. Right now I'm 21, so 18 years old when I started. And when I learned my makeup and I graduated as a makeup artist, professional certified makeup artist, I knew that I wanted to join M.A.C as a brand because it's so amazing. And today it's almost 11 months that I'm here, and it's an amazing journey.
And so what was your training? You said you had some formal training?
Yeah, and when you join M.A.C, they provide you like a basic training wherein they take you through all their products and what ranges they have, and basic makeup knowledge is how you can use it and things like that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And did you train at an academy or?
Yeah, I was trained under an academy. So that was a 2 months professional course wherein I was there like an 8-week course basically. So yeah, I took my training professionally and then
And what was the name of the academy? Okay, yeah, we've already interviewed Natasha. Okay, that's brilliant. And so tell me about your 3 favorite products with M.A.C.
So my 3 favorite products are the Studio Fix foundation.
Yes.
Because this gives you full coverage and it's for all skins. Amazing matte foundation. Then.
And how many shades do you have in Studio
Almost
Fix?
60 shades.
60.
Yes, we have
shades.
a shade for all skins.
That's incredible. Cool. Okay. And of course you've got your SPF in there as
yes.
well. And a little goes a long way with this because it can, I think sometimes it can look a little bit heavy, but you can also do quite a nice sheer veil with this, can't you, if you want to be lighter. Okay. And your next product?
Is the liquid matte lipstick. The shade's name is Dance With Me.
Dance With Me, okay.
So this is a red that goes again with all the skins from fairer to deeper to darker skins.
Okay. And is this one of your latest shades?
Yes, this is like the one that's the hot seller.
Okay.
So.
And was this part of a collection or is it part of your main
it's an inline. It's an inline product.
So that's Dance With Me. So would you see a lot of brides perhaps going with this? Super. And then your third and final one?
The fixing spray. It's a makeup setting spray which you can use before as well as after makeup.
Okay, so it's not. Is it actually spray?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it does spray.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a go. Let's see. Oh yeah. That's quite cool. That's great. Okay. And you would use this before and after?
Yeah. So it preps your skin for your makeup.
Okay.
And later it has spring water because of which the makeup sets really well.
Shall I spray? Close your eyes.
So refreshing and hydrating.
I think I need it as well. It's so humid here in Mumbai. It's an amazing city. And tell me about, we're headed into a new decade. What kind of trends or what kind of looks do you think we're going to see in 2020?
Some graphic liners and right now wing liners are more in trend. But I think
wing liner.
Yeah. Graphic liners, those step liners, I think those are going to be more in trend, and highlighters of course.
Okay.
Because nowadays every brand and every company is coming out with highlighters, and even M.A.C launched their new collection yesterday, Pony Park.
What's it called?
Pony Park.
Pony Park.
Yeah, it's a M.A.C collection wherein they've got 2 beautiful highlighters saying the sun and the star. So like a unique pony color for the star and golden white for sun. So.
Everybody loves a unicorn. Everybody loves a unicorn. Benita, thank you so much for taking time out.
Yeah.
We love your M.A.C store, and hopefully we will see you at Makeup Week India, 23rd and 24th of March.
Perfect.